こんにちは、エリカです。Hi, this is Erica and we're going to be studying for the JLPT. So today we're going to do lesson number 9. Here we will do ようです。Let's go to the first page of your textbook. 文法1の1 Grammar 1 of 1. So first, two people are having a conversation. So the person on the left is saying, 外がうるさいですね. They're saying it's noisy outside. And the second person, a woman on the right, she is looking outside the window. And she says, 有名な人が来ているようですね. ようですよ. Okay? She says, it looks like someone famous is coming. 有名な人が来ているようですよ. Okay, so, ようです. In this case, it means looks like or it seems that the famous person is coming. So let's look at the second example. The next page. Okay, so two people are looking at Tanaka-san. Okay, Tanaka-san looks sad. Okay, so A says, 田中さんは元気がないようですね. Okay, they're looking at Tanaka-san and are saying, 田中さん looks down or 田中さん seems sad. And B, another person, is looking at 田中さん and she says, そうですね. 心配ですね. I see, I am worried. So both of them are looking at Tanaka-san and they say he looks down, he looks sad. This is how we use ようです. Okay? ようです. And now, please go to the next page and let's look at the third example, final example. Okay, here a woman is looking at her phone. Okay, they're looking at her phone and she's saying, 返事が来ない. 彼女に嫌われたようだ. Okay, so no reply is coming from her. So I'm not getting a reply. It seems that she doesn't like me anymore. 彼女に嫌われたようだ. So here she isn't looking at 彼女, but she's looking at a phone and is saying maybe she doesn't like me anymore. 嫌われたようだ. It seems like she doesn't like me anymore. So when we use ようです or ようだ, usually there's either a reason or a basis to why you say it seems like or it looks like. So, for example, why did she say it seems she doesn't like me anymore? Because she did not get a reply. Okay? She didn't get an answer from her. For example, so this here, 返事が来ない, in this case is the reason or the basis to why she thinks she doesn't like me anymore. Okay. Now let's look at table number 1, 表1. Okay. How do we use ようです? So for verbs, e-adjective, not adjectives, and nouns, these are usually written before ようです. Okay, for example, a verb. Okay, a verb. 嫌われた. 嫌われます This is a verb, right? So 嫌われた This is plain form. The verb before ようです is usually plain form. 普通形 And for e adjectives and na adjectives, if these are before ようです you don't have to change anything. そのままにしておきます。So, for example,痛い okay, e adjective 痛い It seems that it hurts. It looks like it hurts. 痛いようです okay, 痛いようです Or na adjectives let's put inきれいな This is it seems beautiful. Okay. It seems beautiful. Here, you don't have to change na adjectives. So きれいなようです And nouns. For nouns, you must add no. Okay. For example, teacher, 先生 It looks like she's a teacher. 先生のようです Okay, or a student. 学生のようです Okay. Now let's go to 文法1の2 Grammar 1, 2 So here are some examples. These are sentences using ようです So let's look at number 1. Number 1. 魚が食べられないようなので別の料理を持ってきましょうか So, since it seems ようなので It seems you cannot eat fish. Would you like me to bring a different dish? So, 食べられない This is a verb. And plain form. Okay, 食べられないようなので And number 2. Number 2. 誰かが隣の部屋で笑っているようですね Okay, 笑っている It seems that someone is laughing in the room next to us. This is a verb. And again, it's plain form. And number 3. お腹が出てきたのでどうやら太ったようです Okay. It seems that I got fat 太ったようです because my stomach is beginning to become bigger Okay. My stomach is a bit bigger so it seems that I got fat 太ったようです Again, this is a verb and it is plain form. And again, I said before that there is usually a reason or a basis to why you say ようだ、ようです The reason in number 1 is 魚が食べられないようなので Okay. The reason why you thought you cannot eat fish is because you're looking at that person. Maybe that person is not eating the fish. So they are saying 食べられないようなので It looks like you don't eat fish. Number 2. 誰かが隣の部屋で笑っているようですね It seems that someone is laughing in the next room. The reason why they thought so may be because they heard it. Maybe because they heard laughing in the next room. So this is the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening. I know it's a bit difficult, but please review the differences of ようです and そうです And also check your answers for the listening and writing sections. And I'll see you next time. Bye.